hey everyone, Jeff DeVerter here. We're hearing a lot about AI these days. Even for me, it's game-changing, revolutionary, you know the drill. But I'm here to tell you that after 25 years of helping businesses, including my work here at Pythian, it's not just about having, well, the fanciest algorithms. If your data's a mess, your AI is going to be a disaster. Now, make sure that you stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through the top 5 things that you can do to start taking your data seriously. Now think of this. Imagine trying to build a complex piece of furniture. AI is the master craftsman, but data, well, data is your raw materials. If you've got warped wood, missing screws, no instruction, and even the best craftsmen in the world, well, they're going to struggle. That's what we see with a lot of companies. Their data is scattered, it's inconsistent, and it's hard to access. And we call that data silos. So, a solid data strategy. That's what makes the difference. It's about getting a handle on your data. It means a few things. First, analytics that actually give you insights that you can use. Not just pretty charts, but real actionable intelligence. Second, data consolidation, breaking down these silos. You see, I remember working with a financial services firm where their customer data was strewn across, well, dozens of different systems. By bringing all that data together, they could finally get a 360-degree view of their customers, predict churn, and personalize services. It was a total game changer for them. And it's not just about cleaning things up. You need a data pipeline. A smooth, reliable flow of information that feeds the AI the right data at just the right time, not just in training, but refreshing that information as time goes on. Think of it as, well, the plumbing for your AI. If that plumbing gets clogged or is broken, your AI is going to starve. We're talking about data quality, real-time updates, and making sure that everything is properly formatted and accessible. Now, let's be honest, this isn't always easy. You've got data governance, you know, who owns what, who can access it. You've got data security, protecting sensitive information, and you've got the people side of things, training your teams to actually use these new tools and processes. I've seen projects fail, not just because the technology was bad or misimplemented, but because these things weren't addressed. And to be honest, more often than not, it's the lack of addressing the people part of the change that makes projects fail. Now, let's face it, for a long time, in most organizations, data hasn't been seen as the star of the show. It's often been seen as a byproduct of operations, something to be stored away, not a strategic asset to be actively cultivated. It hasn't received the investment in people and process and technology that it so richly deserves. Now, that's starting to change, and it needs to change. We're now in a world where data is, and I hate to use this phrase, but it's being seen as the new oil, the foundation of a competitive advantage. But the payoff? It's huge. We're talking about moving beyond the basics of automation to truly intelligent systems. AI that anticipates customer needs, optimizes supply chains in real time, and drives innovation in a way we're only just beginning to imagine. I truly believe that we're heading towards a world where AI is seamlessly embedded into everything that we do. So how do you get started? Here are the top 5 actions that I recommend when a company decides to start taking its data seriously. And it starts by defining a clear data strategy. This is your roadmap, outlining how data will be collected, stored, managed, and used to achieve those business goals that you've got. Second, improve data quality, ensuring data is accurate, consistent, and complete, the foundation of reliable insights. Third, establishing data governance, setting up policies and procedures for data access, security, can't forget about security, and compliance, ensuring responsible data management. Now, number 4, investing in modern data infrastructure, upgrading systems and tools for efficient data storage, processing, and analysis. Now, this enables scalability and performance. Now, number 5, fostering a data-driven culture. You've got to empower your employees to use data in their daily decision-making, promoting data literacy and insights across your entire organization. This is best done through attaching your data sources into the embedded AI solutions that you're already using today. So the question I leave you with is this: is your data ready for the future? Are you treating data as the strategic asset that it truly is? Because if you do, you won't just be keeping up with the curve, you'll be ahead of it.